The engine air filter in your 2006 Chevy Tahoe or Suburban with a 5.3-liter engine acts as a barrier, preventing dust, debris, and contaminants from entering the intake system. A clean air filter ensures optimal engine performance by allowing proper airflow for combustion. It also improves fuel economy by up to 5 to 10% and reduces wear on engine components, like the throttle body and fuel injectors. To maintain these benefits, change your air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or more frequently in dusty driving conditions. Here's a visual comparison. A dirty air filter restricts airflow and reduces performance, while a clean one allows optimal air intake. The air filter is located in the air filter box under the hood, typically on the driver's side near the front fender. To change the air filter on your 2006 Chevrolet Tahoe or Suburban with the 5.3-liter V8 engine, you'll need a few basic tools and parts. Let's go over what's required. First, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver or socket set to release the clamps or remove screws securing the air filter box. You'll need a new air filter. Popular brands include AC Delco or K&N, costing between $10 and $50. It's crucial to use the correct filter designed for your specific 2006 Chevrolet Tahoe or Suburban model year to ensure proper fit and performance. Optionally, wear nitrile gloves to protect your hands and avoid contact with any dust or debris. You may also want a vacuum cleaner to remove any loose debris from the air filter box during cleaning. The first step is to locate the air filter box. Open the hood and look on the driver's side near the front fender. The air filter box is located on the driver's side under the hood near the front fender. Here's a view of the engine bay with the hood open. This close-up shows the air filter housing clearly marked. The box is typically plastic and secured with clamps or screws. To open the air filter box on your 2006 Chevrolet Tahoe or Suburban, you'll need to release the clamps or remove the screws securing the housing cover. Be careful not to damage the plastic housing during this process. Most models use plastic clamps that can be squeezed and released. If your vehicle has screws, they're typically 8 millimeters or 10 millimeters in size. Note this for reinstallation to ensure they fit properly. Gently squeeze the clamps or loosen the screws counterclockwise. Lift the cover straight up to avoid cracking the plastic housing. This exposes the air filter inside for removal. Carefully remove the old air filter from the housing. Before removing it, note the filter's orientation. The pleats should face the correct direction for proper airflow. Examine the dirt and debris trapped in the old filter. This buildup shows why regular replacement is crucial. It prevents contaminants from reaching the engine, reducing wear and maintaining optimal performance. With the air filter box open, inspect it for any loose debris that could contaminate the new filter. Use a vacuum or compressed air to thoroughly clean out the box. This step ensures the new filter starts in a clean environment. Removing dirt prevents reduced performance and ensures optimal engine protection. Now install the new air filter, ensuring the rubber seal is properly seated in the filter box. Place the filter with correct alignment, noting the airflow direction arrows. This prevents air leaks and ensures optimal filtration performance. Now reattach the air filter box cover securely. Make sure the cover sits properly on the rubber seal to prevent air leaks. Secure the clamps by tightening them evenly, or screw in the fasteners firmly but not over tight. Double-check that everything is tightly fastened to ensure no vibrations or loosening during operation. Start the engine and listen for any unusual noises. Check dashboard warning lights to confirm no issues. A noticeable improvement in engine responsiveness is a good sign the change was successful. Finally, dispose of the old filter responsibly as it may contain contaminants. Your air filter maintenance is now complete.